You can randomize the messages your users receive by using the split randomly rule set. This feature creates multiple evenly distributed paths, and each user is randomly placed on one. This is a simple way to experiment with different messages or experiences, such as comparing how different versions of your flow perform by seeing which path gets better results or more responses. I'm going to show you how to create a flow that randomizes the messages. We'll click here. We're going to start with a split by random chance action. Split them randomly into one of two buckets. So 2 buckets means that your contacts will be divided into 2 different flow paths. And remember that your contacts will be evenly distributed among them. I can scroll down and choose up to 10 buckets. Okay. I can go in then and name the bucket. I'm going to name it Group A and Group B. Okay, if you'd like, you can also save this result. I'm going to save it as, okay, click OK. From here, I'm going to send 2 different messages to each group. I'm also going to choose to add them to a group, Group A and Group B. I do not have a group created yet named Group A, so I'll make one right now. Click OK. And this group, I'd like to add them to Group B. This is just a very simple example of how you can set up A/B testing. But remember, you're welcome to use up to 10 different buckets to test. And from here, I can continue to create customized experiences for each group and test which one performs better. It can also help you make data-driven decisions to improve your user experience, engagement, and results. For example, someone who wants to improve their interactions, optimize a process marketing campaign, researchers can use this, analysts, really limitless. If you need any additional support setting up your tests, feel free to reach out to us on the chat widget. We're always happy to help.